guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can search on Google with an image. So just type in google.com and then you are just going to select search by image. You can also select search by voice, but I'm going to select search by image. I don't know why that was hard for me to say. You can either drag an image here or upload a file, or you can even paste an image link. So select upload a file, and here you can, for instance, select this one, and it's going to search up pictures that are similar to this one. As you can see, it shows like pictures of Taylor Swift because it is Taylor Swift, and you can like adjust this bit here. You can also select find image source to view it, to like view where your image comes from. But it basically shows pictures that are similar to the one that I search. As you can see, there's like visually similar pictures here, and it is the same like these ones. This one's a little bit different, but it's from the same music video, so it counts. But yeah, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!